Hey, hey, hey! Yes, indeed, it's another cool day. Oh, yeah, I got some work done. I had some nice work done on the railing. It wasn't perfect, but it's nice and solid. And no complaints this time round. Maybe I'll do something on the other side of the railing and get it done to make it more secure. Ho, 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 ho. Don't run away, DJI. You're not going to steal the show on this one. I want to talk about the Sony ZV-2. That's the ZV-1 that's been out for 3 full years. Oh man, wouldn't you want a camera that you can just simply hold in your hand like this and be far away from the camera? And this is how I'm holding my camera, like this. Well, give me another 6 inches. Yeah, nobody wants to hold their camera out here, right? Oh, my hand's so heavy. It's so heavy. And they're like this in the video. Oh, they don't want to see your face. Well, imagine going to the Grand Canyon and you got a camera and you say, hey, honey, could you back up a little more? How about a little more, honey? Just one more step. Whoa! They think we want an action camera, but we're asking for a vlogger's camera. A vlogger's camera that has not a 24 millimeter, not a 20 millimeter like the ZV-1F, maybe a 16 millimeter with an f1.8. If you can't give us an f1.8, then at least give us a wider lens. Also, don't just abandon the image stabilization and with Catalyst browser. Just give us the stabilization, the stab that we've all been looking for, like you had 10 years ago in the camera that was buttery smooth, then to be all bouncy and all over the road with the best image stabilization. That's what's going to happen. You're going to crop all the way in with the 2 and 3 different image stabilizations chosen. Just give us that field of view and smooth it all out. Well, I passed up on a ZV-1 for the reason of the camera's 2 years old and it stayed at top dollar. $50 over the top dollar price. The camera sold for $699. Now it's selling for $748. Heck, I could have even gotten a ZV-E10 for $699 with the 6mm stock lens that was an option earlier on. And that camera went right back up to $700, $800, $800 some odd dollars. But after tax, you know what I mean. It just expensive for me. So that's why I went to the ZV-1F as my budget camera to do all my stuff. And I'm happy with it. I just want a video camera, like a ZV-1E, whatever. I just want a budget camera. That's why I went to a ZV-1F and I didn't get one. That is why I want a video camera like a Sony ZV-E1. All these numbers just makes it so confusing. It's the golden hour, just about. The sun's up and I'm shining like a star. If you're a good soccer ball or volleyball player, you can walk on that thin layer of water and go kick that ball. Look at the sun, look at the bird shining off the water, man. Where is he? Oh, there he is. I don't see people running with their cell phones, their cameras, taking photos of the sunrise. Did that fad just stop all of a sudden this year around? Maybe because I didn't come around and they just didn't get on the camera from me. Well, I'm holding my DJI. I don't want to lose it off the, the railing here. And yeah, it is what it is, man. Time to get on out of here. Time to get the day started. Business going. Things done. I hope you enjoyed my vlogging talk of the Sony. DJI Action 3 is going to steal the show. Oh, it's not the best camera. I didn't say which one. And it's not the worst camera, and I didn't say which one. I just talked about the cameras, and that's all I did. I don't love spreading rumors because you never know what's going to come on out, and if it really is. But when we have a DJI Action 3 and we bring it to the attention, hey, the Mimo app, we got a problem. I can't get my playback videos. And DJI is well aware of it, and then they come back with the answers of, oh, could you tell us your operating software? Oh, could you tell us the phone? Oh, they know that already. They know the issue, and they don't think it's their problem. They think it's yours. And you tell them about that distorted sound. Oh, can you load firmware? Oh, what's microphone? Is it clean? I did all that. You know you can't load firmware back up. You know you can't put existing firmware. They just mock you. That's what I hear. New noise of the bike. Got a lot of mileage on my Huffy. I enjoy my Parkside SC. I really do. It's a good bike indeed. Does a good job. How come I see flashing lights again all the way down? I guess this must be a popular block. Well, I said a lot. I did a lot. And I talked a lot. Yeah, I can't hold the camera in my left hand. I'm just more comfortable in my right hand. That's the way it is. Check this house out right over here. They built the back building there. Beautiful, beautiful building. Looks like a garage and a guest house separated. They did a nice job. So I'm Fish. See you on many other videos to come. I'm out of here.